In this video, we show you how to replace a faulted boot drive in your PowerScale B100 and P100 system. Before removing the faulted boot drive, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the PowerScale B100 P100 Boot Drive Replacement Guide Service Manual at dell.com/support. First, you need to identify the faulted boot drive. The boot drives are located in bays 0 and 1 in the bottom row of the node chassis. Next to each drive is an LED which indicates the status of the drive. If the LED is red, the drive must be replaced. You must power down the node before you remove the failed boot drive. Connect to a node in the cluster that is not the target for the replacement with a serial cable or network drop. Determine the IP address of the node you are powering off by typing the command ISI status-Q and then press enter. From the node that you are connected to, open a secure shell or SSH connection to the node you are shutting down by typing the command SSH, the node's IP address, and press enter. Power off the node by typing the command shutdown-P now and press enter. Then observe the system output. The output phrase, powering system off ACPI, confirms that the shutdown was successfully completed. Verify that the node is powered off by typing the command ISI status-Q and press enter. Confirm that the node shows a status of down, read only in the DASR column. Down, read only is shown as D-R. Confirm that all other columns have output that shows as NA. Next, replace the disk assembly. Press the release button to remove the faulted drive, then slide the hard drive out of the hard drive slot while holding the handle. Now, install the replacement drive. Press the release button on the front of the drive to open the release handle. Then, insert the hard drive into the drive slot and slide the drive in until it connects with the backplane. Close the release handle to lock the drive in place. After you have installed the replacement drive, power on the node and connect the serial cable to the node you are working on. You can confirm that the new boot drive was recognized by the system by checking individual partition mirrors. By typing the command gmirror status and press enter. Then look for the value of complete in the status column. This completes the process. You've just replaced a boot drive. For more information or support about replaceable parts, visit dell.com/support.